Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite summer drinks, frozen strawberry lemon. I'm going to start by adding some frozen strawberries to my blender. Then I'm going to add some lemonade. And now I'm ready to blend. It is ready. It is looking beautiful. I have my glass here, garnished with a fresh slice of lemon and a fresh strawberry. And we are ready to pour this. All right, there it is. We'll add in a straw. And we are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We will see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.